today we are looking at an amazing place. This is actually in Sabaneta, next to one of my friends. This is an amazing property. You're just gonna see it right now. My goal with this property is to blow you away, and I know I'm gonna do it because I know this property and it's amazing. Just wait and see everything that I'm gonna show you. Let's go look at it. Look at this house. Look at the size of this amazing house. Check this out. There are 3 levels of terrace right here. We got this one right here. We got the main terrace right here. And we go down here and we find this other terrace with the jacuzzi. We got the gym right here. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. And the barbecue areas. Check it out. Isn't that amazing now? You get all this with that amazing view. It's just great. So, jacuzzi, barbecue, amazing terrace number 1 to share with your friends and family. You got the gym right there. I'm gonna go see it in a minute. And one more. This right here is actually a separate apartment, a complete separate apartment. You get all this, see, another terrace. So it's got 4 terraces. Great. Details about the jacuzzi. It's got a fireplace right beside the jacuzzi, and you got the bar right there because you have the barbecue right there. It's just great. Amazing terrace to share. I mean, I had some great times in this terrace. It also has a opening to the kitchen. This is amazing. Also, we also have a fireplace right here. A very ample living room, amazing. And check out the dining room and a huge kitchen with everything that you need and more. To notice about this kitchen, got a wine cellar. Check out all that space to store. Same deal right here, just great. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this property. Let me know. See, we got space for gym, which is right beside the barbecue, also with an exit. And right here, you find the Turkish bath. Powder room, actually complete washroom, because right here, this is the maid's quarter right here. We're not gonna go in there. Some privacy. We got closet space right here. Their complete apartment down there, but the one that I showed you from before. And check this out. Gorgeous. If you guys want to know anything about buying property in Medellin, let me know. We have a lot of experience. We can give you a lot of pointers. Number 1, you guys don't pay the commission. Commission is paid by the seller. Master bedroom is around there. 2 rooms right here, and we have a TV, also another TV studio back here. Check this out. This is what I was telling you about. That also opens into a nice terrace back there. You're gonna go see it right now. This terrace is actually really cool though, because it opens into the 2 bedrooms, the girls' bedrooms. So you have an exit from here, from the TV room and the 2nd floor, and the 2 bedrooms, which makes it amazing. Linen's closet right there, and this is the master bedroom. Let's go look at it. It's great. Check out that space. It's beautiful. This master bedroom has access to the terrace right here. Amazing view. So check it out. It's huge. This is the office space right here in the master bedroom. Amazing. Just gonna turn on those lights for a minute. See, this is the office space and the master bedroom. And right here, check this out. Look at the space of the closet right here. It's just amazing. And even better, check out the master bedroom. So it's just an amazing property. So check it out. One of the bedrooms. See what I was telling you about? Exit right here. And one thing that is actually really cool, it's got this attic right there. It communicates the two bedrooms. Also, complete washroom and closet. And this is the other bedroom. Same deal. You see what I told you? That's the other thing. Exit to a terrace, and this one's got another balcony. And the balcony looks into the parking space. Amazing. Paddle room right here. Great. This is the parking. And that's the house. It's just amazing. Look at that. Beautiful house. Modern, gorgeous, well done.